Since the release of the Note 9, people seem to forget the great devices that has been released this year. One of it is the Huawei P20 Pro. It's only been about 3 to 4 months being released, and it is a great device to pick up right now because you are going to see great prices being offered on this device. If you shop around, you can get this phone for about $600. Everybody, welcome to Tech Dip. Today we are going to unbox the Huawei P20 Pro. This device has been released in April, and if you remember, this was the device with the 3-lens camera. It's got a monochrome camera, telephoto camera, and 40 megapixel main camera. So let's unbox this. There we go. Let's see what's in the box. We got SIM tool right here, USB-C, headphone, power. This is a fast charger. Yep, a supercharge that comes in the box, and also a dongle because we do not have any headphone jack. You also get a cover included, also a Huawei VIP card if you're into that. It also comes with tempered glass. There we go. So we just powered on the Huawei P20 Pro. Let's set up this device. Get started. Okay, Wi-Fi. Skip. It's gonna take a while. Let's get double process first. Skip. Nice. Finish. We are back again, and after a while of setting up the P20 Pro, we can see the EMUI setup on top of stock Android. All Huawei phones run on the EMUI. This phone has a 4000 milliamp battery. It has a triple lens camera. That's the real killer feature here. The telephoto lens is an 8 megapixel camera, and the monochrome lens is a 20 megapixel camera, and the main camera is a 40 megapixel camera. So as you know, people have bought this phone for its camera because it's got a really big sensor. It's got a 109 score on the DxO mark, and some say it's better than the iPhone. The DxO mark for the camera on this phone right here is 109. It's higher than the iPhone X. Some would argue that it takes better low light photos as compared to the iPhone X, so you can gauge what kind of great photography that you can be doing with this phone. So if you're thinking of picking up this phone, it is a great phone for you to take around on your holidays, on your family trips, on your professional events. If you're that kind of person that shoots with your smartphone. This phone comes with an 18:9 ratio screen. It's a full-on display, just like all the other screens that you see coming out this year in 2018, with a notch. This is one of the phones with a notch that not really copies the iPhone. It's got a smaller notch, but unlike the iPhone, it's got a chin with a fingerprint sensor on it. On the left side of the phone, you're gonna find the volume rocker as well as the power button with a slight tinge of orange color to indicate that you are pressing the right button right here. It's got a small groove on the power button right here. So if you're trying to control the phone based on just tactile feel, then you're going to be able to feel whether it's the volume rocker or the power button. On the right side of the phone, you are going to find the SIM tray. It's going to house dual SIM and it does not come with an SD card slot. So you are limited to the onboard 128 gigs with 6 gig of RAM, plenty of performance on the Kirin 970 chip. You are not going to be disappointed with the performance of this phone. It's going to be fluid, it's going to be speedy, and it's going to give you great camera performance from the triple lens camera. If you're looking to pick up the P20 Pro, it is available in black, blue, gold, and this twilight color right here. I'd recommend the twilight because it's really an amazing gradient color with a mirror finish. The Huawei P20, the phone with a triple lens camera with a great low light image quality and not so great image stabilization when it comes to 4K shooting. Get it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you press the notification button and get notified when we come up with new devices to review. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Tech Dip, and I'll see you in the next one.